Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I'm with the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today we're going to work together to transform this boring brown rocking chair into a beautiful Mad Hatter fairy tale delight. To begin with, we're going to talk about proper preparation in order to chalk paint your piece. I recommend a product called White Lightning. It's made by Dixie Belle. This product, when diluted with water, I put mine in a spray bottle, is going to help you really clean your piece and get it prepared for chalk paint. If your piece is not clean and you have oil and residue or old dirt left on your surface, your paint will not adhere. I just gave it a simple spray and a wipe of product, and look at how much came off.